Hi everyone, it's Miss Jessica here from White Oak Library, Romula Branch, and today we're going to be covering the new Jumpstart packet. So what we're going to do is we're going to cover the stuff what we would have been doing in person, and remember that these are all available at any one of the 3 branches. Just go to the children's department and ask for the packet. What we're going to do is cover the one that we would have been doing in person, and then the other stuff is what you would be doing at home, a few pages every day, and if you bring this in, show us what you've done, we'll go ahead and give you a prize for that week. So the letter of the week is Q. So this first one, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and trace your Q's here and here, upper and lowercase, find the Q's on the top. The very next one, what you're going to do is you're going to create the craft for the lowercase q. So you can go ahead and color these in, cut them out, and put them on so it looks like that for a quilt. Right here, we're going to fill in the missing letters. So you have different ornaments. It starts with A, ends with Z. Go ahead and fill in the letters that are missing. The next one, you're going to go ahead and use a dabber, crayon, or marker and go ahead and fill in those colors and then trace the uppercase and lowercase q. The next one, you're going to take goldfish and you're going to go ahead and do your Q, R, S, and T. Here you're going to use a crayon, dabber, or marker and go ahead and fill in the circles for the uppercase and lowercase q. Here you're going to go ahead and color in your Q for quilt and queen, and then go ahead and do upper and lowercase q's. Over here we're going to find all of the Q's and we're going to color them in with a crayon, dabber, or marker, and don't forget to trace the upper and lowercase q right here. Next one, you're going to do the same thing, upper and lowercase q's, and then trace the question mark. Right here we're going to find all of the Q's on here and color them in with a crayon, dabber, or marker. You're going to go ahead and find all of your Q's on here and color those in with a crayon, dabber, or marker. The next one right here, you're going to go ahead and trace and color the Q, and then you're going to practice your cutting skills by cutting out that Q. Here you're going to fill in all of the circles for the Q. We're going to trace the upper and lowercase q's on here and then color in the queen. You're going to practice your tracing skills and follow this line down, color in the Q's, trace the Q's, and then you can practice by cutting the lines. Over here, you're going to practice your counting. You're going to look for all of these images, find how many you see, put that number in that square right there. The number of the week is 17, so we're going to go ahead and practice our 17 right here. You're going to go start with the green and end at the red, and then you're going to put the spots of 17 on the ladybug. Over here, you're going to find the missing numbers, and you're going to fill in beginning and end. So for example, this one is 6, you would put 5 and 7. Right here, we're going to practice our numbers and our colors. We're going to look, for example, this one says 10, so any number 10s, you're going to color in with a crayon, dabber, or marker the color red. And then once you fill in all the colors, it'll reveal a pattern. Right here, you're going to go ahead and find all of the number 17s and either circle them with a crayon, dabber, or marker. Right here, it's similar to the one with the alphabet. You're going to fill in the missing numbers. You're going to start with number 1, and you're going to see what number you end with at the very end. Here, you're going to practice your numbers and your colors. You're going to follow this pattern down here. For example, number 1 will be blue, number 2 will be red, and go ahead and fill those in. You're again going to practice your counting. You're going to do 17 squares, but each of them are going to be different colors. For example, this first one is going to be 3 blue squares. Over here, we're going to practice our matching. So for example, you have this red and white candy cane. You're going to draw a line to the other red and white candy cane. So you're going to find all of the matching pairs. Over here, we're going to go ahead and practice our tracing. You're going to follow these lines, and then you can go ahead and color in those snowflakes if you'd like. Right here, we're going to practice our cutting and gluing skills. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut out all these parts, and then you're going to glue them on to make a nice gingerbread. Over here, you're going to practice your tracing. You're going to trace these lines to the tree, and then you're going to practice cutting along those lines as well. Over here, we're going to go ahead and practice our tracing as well. You're going to trace the snowman, and then you're going to trace the word snowman on the bottom. And then if you want, you can color that in too. Over here, we're going to practice spelling the word December, because that's the month we're going to be in. And then you're going to go ahead and find all of those letters and fill them in with a crayon dab or a marker. Okay, we'll see you next time. Bye.